Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Raquel Angela, and I'm back with another YouTube video. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. And if you guys are coming back and you're my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. It's all about skincare, y'all. I don't know if you guys know, but I am a product or skincare fanatic. I think I've always been, from growing up until now, I'm always trying to find something to treat my skin well and to be able to have the best skin. That's something that I try to achieve, is having the best skin that I can have. So the brand Your Skincare reached out to me and sent your girl a package. Yes, I received my first legit package from a brand called Your Skincare. I was so excited when they reached out to me and they said that you have to fill out a quiz. Everything is formulated for you based off of your skincare needs, your imperfections, anything that you're trying to perfect or fix. It's made for you. So I went online, I filled out this skincare quiz. So many of the issues that I personally were dealing with were hyperpigmentation, hormonal acne. I was dealing with dark spots and blemishes on my face, as well as uneven skin tone. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have uneven skin tone around my face, on my neck. That's something that I don't like so much about my skin. So those were the few things that I wanted to perfect. I also have oily skin, so I wanted to make sure that the products that I do have or use caters to oily, hormonal, acne type skin. I also have very, very sensitive skin. And it's kind of crazy that I just decided to just jump right on in and was just like, hey, let me give this skincare product a try. Well, what really leaned me towards Your Skincare was the fact that everything was made personalized just for me. All of the needs that I need to be met when it comes to my skincare, it was made for me. So all of their products are clean ingredients, no fillers, they're toxin and paraben free, and those are the products that I try to lean towards. Anything that won't break me out. They're also made in the US. I just liked how everything was just so clean. The products that I have had no scent to them, and I don't really mind not having a scent when it comes to especially like skincare products. So I liked how everything was really gentle when it came to my skin. I didn't have any irritation, any redness, any swelling that I've had in previous years by using different products. So that's one thing that I really liked about the brand, is that everything was just clean and it did not break me out. Now throughout this video, I'm gonna post and upload my weekly progress of how the first few weeks have been. I've been using this product now for about 3.5 weeks, and they sent me full-size products. I'm gonna show you guys what the products were, and I just loved everything that came in the box. It was a cute box. I got my cleansers, I got my daily day cream, I got serum that I use at night, and I also received their night cream. These products are all full-size products. How they set it up for you makes it so much easier, because they give you a daytime routine and a nighttime routine. Like, how many times do we go to the store and buy all these products, and sometimes we don't really know when is the best time and when to use them, but they break it down for you, and that's what I like. Everything is personalized just for you. One of my favorite parts about the skincare is the moisturizers. Because I do have oily skin, I don't like really putting moisturizers on my skin that's too oily, because it just makes me feel funny on my skin. I even freak out when I have a certain type of makeup that's not meant for oily skin. It just feels weird on my face. The moisturizers were not drying out, they weren't too oily, and they were very lightweight. And I think that was also one of my favorite parts, is that all the products were super lightweight. It didn't feel like I had so much heaviness on my skin. It didn't feel like nothing was slick or whatever. What was also cute is that they give you a cute little headband, and it says Your. And I like it because, like, girl, when you're washing your face, you don't want to mess up your hair, you don't want to mess up your edges, you don't want water getting everywhere. So the cute headband works wonders. I love it, especially when I'm in the shower, and even when I have my shower cap on. I don't want to mess up my edges and I'm washing my face in the shower. Like, the cleanser was so lightweight. My skin looks so refreshed after I washed my face, and then even after I put on the moisturizer. I don't know how many times I used a face cleanser, and then right after I'm finished washing my face, it looks refreshed. Like, that doesn't happen often for me. So this is my skin now. I still have a lot of work to do, and that's fine. But for me to be about 3.5 weeks, almost 4 weeks in, I've seen a lot of progress. I even like the fact that when I apply makeup to my skin, I don't have to overdo it. I don't have to double up on a little bit of foundation or concealer because I'm trying to hide my blemishes and my dark spots or my hyperpigmentation. Outside of the products being clean, cruelty-free, toxin-free, and no animal testing, my favorite thing about it is when I took the quiz, it was very informative. It asked you about your diet, your stress levels, like what are you doing? Because a lot of the things that we do on a day-to-day basis can affect our skin. It gave you a whole list of the best ingredients that they feel would be best for your skin type. I'm so excited to see what my skin looks like in the next month and even in 3 months. Everything is personalized for you, and it's so true because I'm seeing results like automatically. I'm seeing results very quickly. Even like my family and friends are noticing it. So y'all, I like the fact that I'm able to try it out for a few weeks and to give an honest review, because when it comes to skin or anything like that, health wise, I want to be able to give my true opinion on it, because I'm not going to tell you something and then steer you in the wrong direction. So I believe that you guys will love these products. I love them. I love how the headband was like my favorite, one of my favorite parts. I think everything was my favorite, but I thought it was just so cute that they incorporated a headband. And I'm like, it makes like, especially if my hair's already done and I'm like wanting to, you know, wash my face really quick while I get ready before I apply my makeup, like I don't have to stress about, you know, my hair, my edges getting wet, things like that. So it's like the little things that really matter. The fact that they gave you like the day and nighttime routine, it makes life a little bit easier. So now I know that in the morning, I just need my cleanser and I need my daytime cream, and I keep it moving. And then I know at night, all I need is my cleanser, my serum, and my nighttime cream. Like this is all, like it makes getting ready for nighttime so much easier. It's like boom, boom, bam. Just like that. So you guys, check out your skincare. You will love it. All of these products are at a value of $180, but listen, they also offer monthly plans at $65 rate, which is not that bad once you pay it out. Like it's like you're paying for each month. They're great quality products. It will definitely be worth it. If you're looking to perfect your skin and to have the best glowing skin that you can have, this is perfect for you. I hope this was very informative. I hope you guys are getting excited about, you know, getting nice glowing skin, the skin that you've wanted. I'm so excited to see the results within this next month and the next 3 months. So I'm so excited that they reached out to me, because I've been trying to perfect my skin even from after pregnancy. My skin was complete trash, embarrassing. It was that bad. I like where my skin is coming to now, and I think you guys will really enjoy something like this. Everything is made personalized just for you. So check out your skincare. They will meet all the needs that you are looking for. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my YouTube channel, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.